And it was at this very moment I knew Frank fucked up. Hey, welcome to an episode of Laborghini TV. Today we're headed to the farm. We're gonna make a racetrack to drift my Lamborghini, maybe even Frank's Lamborghini, but he's too much of a So we're on the way to Elmvale, Ontario, where we have 20 some odd acres of land. Frank and I are gonna use the snowplow to blow off a racetrack. I don't know how big. Frank has it all in mind right now. And yeah, we should have some fun there. You just seen it. We're riding dirty through Elmvale, Ontario. This is where Frank and I grew up. And just like Jay and Silent Bob, the pizza place right there, it's called B2's. Back in the day it was called Cheeser's Pizza. That's where Frank and I would, is this too dark? That's where Frank and I would kind of hang out. I'm trying this new Canon G7X camera. I had it for a year. I usually shoot on my GoPro Hero 8, but I'm gonna try this out today. Comment below how you like this camera over the other videos that I did. What is it, the GoPros? Frank's dad is dying to be in one of these videos. We're gonna put him in right now. The wolf jacket and all. Look at that sick jacket.
Oh, you're looking at it now.
This is the fuel we want to burn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that on right now?
No. We wanted to check out your jacket. Turn around. Oh, look at that wolf.
Hey.
What are you doing?
I'm off to make a racetrack.
Wonder if he even knows I'm on his tractor. Anyways, a little bit of history on this little place. My family's owned this flea market. It's the Elmvale Sales Barn since about, I think, the late 80s or early 90s, like 91 or 89, something like that. Him and I used to be dropped off here on like a Monday, and when we were 10 years old, used to stay up here from, I was 10, Frank would be about 8, and stay up for a couple days by ourselves. And Frank and I would just ride our dirt bikes, you know, go-karts, anything, cut the lawn, just on our own. Anyways, let's get back to making a racetrack.
We should tell them to make this corner extra big so that it takes up, almost goes like all the way back down that way.
Okay. Who's gonna get out and tell them? Where's your snow pants, man?
Came prepared with track pants.
We're gonna go down into there a little bit.
Yeah.
Right? And then back up. So it's just like a big loop into there, and then back up into the main one.
We've got the track design laid out. Now we're just going to work on making the corners bigger and stuff like that so that we can get the drifts going.
All right, on the last pass, Frank broke the shear pin, so we're just going to fix that quick, go get the Lamborghini, and try out our new racetrack. That's why it keeps breaking. You just put the goddamn bolts in.
Same friggin' shit. I've actually, the bolt that's in it's the real one. I've never taken a bolt out of it.
No?
Or no, I've never replaced the shear pin.
Where's the bolts? In that?
They'll be in that.
Piled behind everything? You piled in front of it?
Well, I didn't do that.
Oh no. It's your barn.
But that one works. It's a lock nut too. 1/2 inch.
Look at this thing. Both times Kurt's like, oh God, I didn't brush my hair and now she's gonna see me like this. All right, we're gonna fix the tractor. I'm not gonna go ahead and show all the bolt going on, but let's get to the car going around the racetrack. Oh, we're doing it. Hope I don't get stuck here. Oh yeah, no problem. All right, here we go. Made that one. Had traction control on. Damn it. Another turn. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Drift it. Oh yeah. Take the inside line. Oh, we got it. We got it. Another corner. Some of these ruts, it's pretty deep. Oh! There. Back the other way. Come on, baby. One more time. This is the time, this is where you usually get stuck. People staring at me. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. So close to that snowbank. Big drift finale. Here we go. All right, that ends the day of building a racetrack at the barn. The car was okay going around it. The ruts were a little bit much for the car to handle. It got sucked into a couple corners. We're hoping now that over the next few days it gets really cold out. It'll freeze it, make it a little bit more ice. We'll take off the top layer and it should be a little better. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Comment below if there's anything else you guys can think of that we can do with my Lamborghini. And oh, subscription. I bet 50% of the people that watch this video are not subscribed to the channel. I'd appreciate. Give a thumbs up and we'll see you on the next one. Can I put that in the video?
What?
What I just...
No.
Come on. Because I know you're going to show her this video.
Why not?